I use edge booster. My braider put me on this many moons ago. And then you always have to seal your edge control with some type of gel. You can use like a holding spritz, or what I've been using lately is this Eco Style. And usually Eco Style does not work for me, but as of late, and everybody knows, the edge toothbrush, you gotta have some wear and tear on this baby before it reaches its glory days. You need about 10 plus on it before it reaches that, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wet the brush a little bit. I don't want y'all to see the front of it because it's to the fire. It's been through everything. It's back so y'all can see. So I tell my braider to leave just a smidget. I've been liking just minimal baby hair left out these days. Once it gets to be adult hairs in the front, count me out, baby, because I don't have time to be doing all that. I want to do the swoop to do and get on out. And this piece is optional. I know everybody might not want that little widow's peak swoop, but I think it's cute. So I do have a little surgery scar right here where my hair will not grow, and that's fine. That's fine. They lied and told me that it would grow back, and it never did. That's okay. I'm gonna show you a little trick for that too. So I just went in with my edge booster, and now I'm gonna go in with the Eco just to kind of seal everything in place so it'll last all day. And the key to this is not so much going through it again, but you want to just seal the gel on top of what you just did with the Eco Style. So you don't even really need the brush to do that. You just want to seal everything. And I like to go over my braids a little bit, not too much, because you don't want your braids to get gunked up with edge control. Let this dry, you'll be all set, honestly. And the key to good baby hairs is letting them go back into the braid. Just swoop it right back into the braid. That's what makes it look natural and not so adult. You know what I mean? So yeah, swoop all of your baby hair back to the braid. Like I said, again, less is more with baby hair. The less you have coming out of the braid, the better it's going to look. If your sideburn doesn't want to cooperate, just get that comb. You can use this in and get that swoop that you want. gonna set this side.